If you're a beginner at video editing, today I'm going to teach you the absolutely fastest way to edit event recap videos like weddings, concerts, festivals, conventions automatically inside of Premiere Pro using this insane AI plugin. Let's go. All right, so we're inside of Premiere Pro. We're gonna be using a plugin today. Now, this is an AI plugin. For those of you who don't know, plugins are basically add-ons to Premiere Pro. So they're basically like apps on your phone. If your phone is Premiere Pro, then the plugins are the apps. So to open this plugin, you just go to Window, you hit Extensions, and you click AutoEdit Recap Mode. Now, keep in mind, this is a paid plugin, sorry, unfortunately, but link down below to where you can download it. So the first things first, once you open it up, it's going to ask you to just make sure you quickly locate all your media so that everything is online. So you just right click and then you click locate. This is just a preliminary step we like to do. Now it takes you to the main page of the plugin. Now this plugin is built for the process of editing event recap videos. As I mentioned before, weddings, festivals, concerts. Today we're going to be editing a video of ComplexCon. So that's a convention, and it basically asks you to upload your first music track, right? So we're going to go ahead and choose this like net spend beat. And keep in mind, your final edit is going to be as long as the song. If you want a 2-minute edit, then trim down your song to 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and select these clips, and then I'm going to unselect my interview clips for now. And then we also got some other random footage over here. I hit open. Now this other process is where you can upload some interview clips. So let's say you have some clips, of your person talking. Maybe you did some interviews on site, right? And you want to include these in your edit. So the cool thing about this is that you can actually go ahead and include these interviews. So we got some footage right here of Emwell, and we're gonna go ahead and upload this. And now we're gonna move on to the BPM detection. So now it gives me two options. You can either automatically detect the BPM, or you can manually tap to the beat of the song. I prefer manual tap because it's just way more fun. And what it's gonna basically do is make you click to the beat of the song. So it's gonna start, and I'm just clicking to the beat. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up because it just plays for 20 seconds. So boom, our beat is 168. That is pretty high, but we're gonna go ahead and choose variation for the speed. This is basically, do you want all the cuts to be super fast, super slow, super medium, whatever, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and hit use this BPM. Now this part's really cool. This is where it's going to automatically cut out all the shaky parts of your B-roll. Now there's actually a higher accuracy mode, which takes a little bit longer, but if you're on a time crunch and you need to finish the edit really quick, I prefer doing quick mode. I click quick mode, and then boom, automatically it starts auto editing an entire event recap to the beat, as you can see, just like that. Boom. Now if we play it out, you can see we got this crazy event recap edit going on right here. It looks super sick, and everything is already cut to the beat of the song. Now it gets crazier than this. It doesn't stop there. You can actually go ahead and start analyzing your interview clips to find the best quotes. So I'm gonna set my quotes duration selection to something like 25 seconds because that's the longest I want my quotes to be. And then I click analyze interviews. Now this part might take some time. It's gonna load depending on how long your interview clips are. But after it's done loading, you're gonna see it automatically pulls out all the quotes from your interview clips, giving you a rough cut that you can just work with. So let's go ahead and try to find some quotes that we can pull. So we got this one right here. The big difference between the show is you gotta be a part of the scene. We go outside, you can't study as much as you want to be. You can research all you want, but the best advice is to only go out there and get better by trying. Now that one looks like a good quote too. And then all these other quotes look random. And now I just click auto rough cut. And now this part is crazy. It automatically cut a rough cut of my music video to the beat of the song. And we got some cuts. We got some clips of Emwell talking. And obviously there was like a lot of bad audio going on right here, so it's not the greatest. But it's really cool that we can get a great start of editing just with a couple clicks of the button. And it automatically pulls my interview quotes, and we'll just build out that first rough edit depending on my interview clips. Now the coolest thing about this is that I can actually just go ahead and apply visual effects too. So you can see on this next page, we can automatically apply camera shakes, low shutter film flashes, film burn effects, and we can even do sound effects like risers, crowd cheering, impacts, whooshes, and more. Now I click apply selected effects, and boom, instantly it applies these effects to my timeline, and we already got this crazy edit going on right here of our event recap. And as you can see, this looks pretty sick. Like there's music, there's camera movement, it's cut to the beat of the song, and I don't know, it's just that was like pretty crazy so far. And there's a bunch of different other styles in here, but let's say you want a really high performance edit. We can set this intensity to something higher, like 94, and then we can just reapply all these selected effects. And now you're gonna see it's automatically editing my event recap video by replacing all the clips. And then once it's done, you're gonna see the timeline has way more nested clips in here. And you can see if we play it out, this looks super sick now. So we got this event recap video edit. There's a bunch of different sick camera movements going on. There's different clips being applied. This is so cool. This is so cool. The fact that this was made in just a couple clicks is pretty crazy. And the fact that it can also find the interview quotes for you. And then lastly, the plugin doesn't stop there. You can actually apply title cards next. So if you want title cards, you can literally just go ahead and search for and apply these title cards. So let's go ahead and do maybe a title card like this. We hit apply title cards, and now you can see if we play it out, we got this sick title card going on right here in our intro. And you can actually just go ahead and change this title card to your name, for example, and boom, it automatically adjusts the title card. You can change the color, you can change the size, position, rotation, whatever you want. It's super customizable and built automatically for event recap video editors. Here's a quick demo of the final result. If you're a beginner video editor who wants to learn how to edit event recap videos inside of Premiere Pro, hopefully you found something valuable from this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about this plugin. And if you want to learn how to automatically edit music videos to the beat of any song, then you can check out this video linked right here.